Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, there has to be more than this? More freedom, more control, more ownership over your life. Here's the truth. Most people don't escape the 9 to 5 because they're waiting for the perfect opportunity. But the people who do, they start small, with a side hustle, not just for extra cash, but as a seed for something bigger. Today, let's talk about side hustles that aren't just temporary. These are the ones that can grow into full-time income and full-time freedom. Number 1, freelancing, turning skills into income. What do you already know? Writing, design, video editing, marketing, coding. In today's world, your skills are more valuable than ever. Platforms allow you to connect with clients globally. What starts as one small gig can become consistent clients, then a personal brand, then your own agency. You're not just creating time, you're building a reputation. Number 2, content creation, building an audience. You don't need millions of followers to make money. You need trust. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Share what you learn, share your journey, share your story. At first, no one watches. Then a few people listen. Then suddenly people start to care. And when people care, opportunities follow. Ads, sponsorships, products, courses. Content is not just creation, it's leverage. Number 3, e-commerce, selling without limits. Imagine making money while you sleep. Selling products online, whether physical or digital, gives you scale. You can start small, dropshipping, print on demand, or even reselling. The goal isn't just selling a product, it's building a system that works even when you don't. Number 4, investing, making your money work for you. At first, you work for money, but eventually, money should work for you. Stocks, real estate, digital assets. You don't need to start big, you just need to start. Because investing isn't about quick wins, it's about long-term freedom. Number 5, online education, monetizing what you know. You don't need to be the best in the world, you just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Teach what you've learned. Courses, coaching, ebooks. Your knowledge has value, and when you package it right, it becomes an asset that pays you again and again. But here's the real secret. It's not about choosing the perfect side hustle. It's about choosing one and committing long enough for it to grow. Because every successful full-time income started as something small, something uncertain, something uncomfortable. So ask yourself, what can I start today? What skill can I use? What value can I create? You don't need more time. You need more intention. One day, you'll look back and realize that side hustle you almost didn't start was the very thing that changed your life. So start now. Start messy. Start small. But whatever you do, don't stay stuck.